mind, the question is mainly how this telecom technology or telecom management can make it reach to each and every corner of the country is the concern which I feel like. The most important part is sitting in this beautiful hall in a five-star hotel, discussing these things ultimately for the welfare of the society and welfare of the nation. It's called the nation building process. Because I cannot myself sit in a five-star bungalow and think of the poorest of the poor in this country, but possibly the government of India has a role to play that they should make possible through the, you call it the mobile technology. Mr. Milind Pandey has been working on that issue. Mobile technology, telemedicine, so many new words have come. But these beautiful innovations and discoveries must be ultimately useful to the society in the last corner of the country. And the village boy, a boy who would like to learn and understand the mission which we have been trying to carry through all these technologies. I think the development has been phenomenal. Sitting at this corner or even today in villages too, a boy who is a cowboy, standing on the field somewhere, he can click and he can talk to any person anywhere in the world. Good luck. This is a very fortunate development for the country. But much more than this, the very learning process, education process or the training process of the villages, the boys may not have a chance otherwise. The government of India has a role to play that they must lay down all these broadband or any other technologies which you need for giving them the education. Sitting in the smallest of the small village, if the children get an opportunity to talk to the best of the best teachers through internet or through the facilities which we talk about telecom management, I think that would be the fortunate day for the country. But now I would like to make one more comment. I know that in the near future, the government of India will be certainly feeling responsible and they should be accountable too, to my mind, that they have a duty to make it possible to reach the last corner of the country, the smallest of the small village of the country, and make this technology available for especially as I belong to education field, I feel education and training is the best part of it. Development of the society as a whole will only be achieved when this will reach the largest number of villages in the country. Friends, now I go to some different topic which I have always in my mind. The people had asked me the other day in some conference, what is the new research area or the innovation area for the telecom management or even the electronics and telecommunication? Web page, website and the internet are the common words which are not new at all to the people like us. Friends, what is the area left for electronics and telecommunication or the IT or computer? You call artificial intelligence. Where this intelligence has to be applied hereafter. I'd like to just make a comment to you. For this India, the mother India, जिसे भारत कहा जाता है. भाइयों, मैं थोड़ा सा फिलोसॉफिकल कमेंट करूंगा. भा का मतलब है प्रकाश. ये संस्कृत में भा का मतलब है प्रकाश. एक है the sunlight, which gives us the life. The entire living beings are based on the sunlight. But there is another important light which is much more important than the sunlight itself. And that is the knowledge divine. ज्ञान प्रकाश जिसे बोला जाता है. और ज्ञान में रत वो है भारत. ऐसी एक सुंदर व्याख्या है इस भारत देश की. इतना ध्यान में रखो. I am not trying to be partial about the Western world and the Eastern world. But possibly India has a role to play, and especially the intelligence which these boys possess. Dr. Mashalkar the other day said that India is now being known as a country of IT men. But IT is not information technology. IT is the Indian talent which you people possess. That is IT. And possibly these great men of IT, I think Mr. Rao was telling me he was in America in the Bell Laboratories, and a wonderful research he has done in the Bell Laboratories in this field. The world over, we have a tremendous number of talented students who are contributing to the development of technology. electronics and IT. The question is, what should be the role hereafter? A very typical thought comes to my mind, whether there is any technology in electronics or telecommunication to change the mindset. मेरे मन में हमेशा भाव आता है कि मन को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी हो सकती है. ये पागलपन हो सकता है शायद. ऐसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में ऐसी बात करना मुझे पता नहीं कैसा सही है रास्ता क्या कौन सा. लेकिन माई सेल्फ आई हैव बीन ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू थिंक कि ये कैसे बनता है. अंतःकरण की बात कैसी है. माइंड, पॉजिटिव माइंड सेट, नॉट द निगेटिव डिस्ट्रक्टिव माइंड. वो तो कैसे आता है कहां से आता है पता नहीं. लेकिन ये एक बात है, हियर आफ्टर मे बी अ रिसर्च कैन बी ओरिएंटेड इवन इन द टेलीकॉम सेक्टर to think of the mind, matter, spirit and consciousness. There are 4 words which are normally spoken, 4 parameters. ये consciousness क्या चीज है? चैतन्य स्वरूप, intelligence है. Let me tell you friends, as you know it, some of you, that Swami Vivekananda has been my ideal, and Sant Dhaneshwar and Sant Tukaram, symbolically they represent our faith.